Hi everyone, it's Guise and welcome to another one of the Guise's Really Suspicious Platter of Curious Animals. This month, slightly different. It's not really a curious animal. I've needed to change suppliers just for 1 month because of next month's deal, which has led me to kind of be a bit selected in choices. And so this month is Guise Goat, which is actually quite convenient because, there are times when, after a ritual sacrifice or something, you have the leftover goat and just what do you do with it? It seems a bit of a waste to, just toss it aside after you've slaughtered it. So, Guise Goat, not really too curious, but I've never cooked with it. It's fairly common in some places. I had the choice of whether to do a curry, but then I thought I wasn't actually going to get to taste the meat. So instead I'm just going to fry it up, serve it with some rice and stuff, and some raita, some mint and cucumber yogurty thing, and should be good. It's nice and easy and simple, nothing too complicated this month. In goes the blood meat. Oh, I needed a bigger pan. So here we have it, goat, rice, green veg, raita, which is mint and cucumber yogurt. Goat isn't really an uncommon meat. It's used quite a lot in European recipes, Middle Eastern recipes. It's used a lot in curries, but I've never had it before, which is why it's on the platter. It looks really good, so I'm just going to have a quick sniff test. It's like a beefy, rabbity sort of smell. Let's have a taste. Really nice. It's a very tender lamb, which isn't surprising, I would have thought it would have tasted like lamb. It's a very gamey taste, obviously. It's really good. I can see, people use it in curries and stuff like that, but I wanted to taste what it would actually be like, what the meat was like. You could swap this out for lamb quite easily. As such, why it's on the Curious Platter, you could be surprised by it. Meat this week, or this month, came from a company called Wild Game Meat Company. And I also got them for next month as well. Next month is going to be curious. It's a secret, and it's dedicated to a friend of mine, who I hope will enjoy it. And in the meantime, enjoy, and I will see you all next time.